What's going on, y'all? Uh, Currently, I'm just playing the game, playing Madden. I was watching some YouTube. I was just watching some videos, and I was just thinking, like, maybe I should come on here and, like, vent to y'all real quick. Um, what I wanted to touch bases on is some things. I really want to talk about, like, life after high school. And, like, just some eye-opening things that this year has taught me. So far this year, I've learned a lot. This has really been like a growing slash like eye opening type year, and I don't know, like the year not even over with, and it's been crazy. Like there's been a lot of things going on. I went through the toughest time of my life a few weeks ago. That really like opened my eye and stuff, and I just want to like make sure y'all don't go through anything like that, you know? Like I wanna be able to interact with y'all and give y'all advice about stuff that I go through, just so like either y'all could be prepared for it or avoid it. But I say like the biggest lesson I've learned this year, it's a couple. I'ma just name two though. First thing I'm gonna touch on is working on yourself. I'm taking that very serious because, like I said in the last video, I'm trying to become the best version of myself, and it's important to do that. When you do that, it builds your confidence. I'm working on things like semen retention. If y'all don't know what that is, that's where you go. That's where you practice not like beating your meat for the guys and stuff. And it's actually important. It's some studies that say if you don't practice those type of things, or you just letting semen, you releasing semen all the time, it's affecting your mental. It affects your skin. It affects how you interact with people, and it gives you a lot of social anxiety and just anxiety in general. And I think it's important to practice that because it takes away the reality of sex. When you get with a girl and you ever thought like, oh, like let's say you with a girl and you can't get up, it's a reason for that. You probably beat your meat too much. So yeah, it's just a lot more healthier to not even release it, because you gotta think, bro. You gotta think long and hard. Like, think about what your semen can do. Think about what it could do. It's strong enough to create a whole nother life, bro. Like, if that don't tell you something right there, it should, because it's powerful. It's powerful, and it could really affect you in your mind. They say watching porn, it's like a gland in your brain that it's just getting damaged because it's taking away the reality of life. And I really want to practice it because for the longest I've had social anxiety. I've always been shy and stuff, but when I was younger, I always found ways of getting around that. Like, I used to be in front of the choir. Like, I used to be in front of church, like playing instruments. If y'all don't know, I used to play the saxophone when I used to go to church when I was younger. And I was obviously shy as a little kid, but like I wasn't playing with myself. So it's like I found a way to like get over that shyness, you know? But of course, as you get older and you get more experience and things of that nature, and you get more curious, of course you're gonna play with yourself. But I'm just letting you know, like, it's really important to practice that. Like, I'm not even playing with y'all. Like, it's really gonna mess you up in the future, and it's gonna slow you down. Take it from me. And I'll be real with you, I'm practicing right now. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning about this life thing as I go. And that's all you can do is grow and progress. Now, if you're learning things and you're not taking advantage of the knowledge that's given to you and actually trying to work on yourself, then when you try to work on yourself for real and take it serious, it's going to be too late. So that's why I'm here. I'm trying to help y'all and give y'all information, I just want to make sure y'all the best versions of yourself, because you'll be more successful when you are like that. And yeah, like, it'll really mess with your confidence. And being a content creator, sometimes I get bad anxiety. I have that naturally, but I could say semen retention definitely does help that out. And when you release, also, y'all, like, you're releasing a whole lot of endorphins and nutrients. Like, it's nothing but nutrients in your semen. So you're releasing all that. You're releasing good things from your body. And you probably not gonna take it serious when I'm saying this, but I'm dead serious. And I'm trying to look out for y'all, because I wish I had somebody to tell me all the things like this. I wish I had somebody to guide me, somebody I could watch on YouTube that'll guide me and things like this. And yeah, I'm gonna get back into fitness too. I haven't really worked out and stuff ever since the beginning of summer. If y'all don't know, I decommitted from my college to play football, and I continued my dream. And I haven't worked out ever since. Mostly because I haven't had a car, but I will be getting back into fitness eventually. I do plan on that. But yeah, it's just a really important talk I wanted to have with y'all, because not everybody's gonna understand it, but the more you practice semen retention and the more you get used to it, the more you'll see results that way, Like I was saying, y'all, I really just wanted to make this video to put y'all boys on game. In case y'all didn't know this information, it attracts you to women more, clears up your skin, releases anxiety from your body, and it makes things a lot more. It makes things a lot more better in your life. You attract women because you're glowing. Like, it really helps. Like, it really does. But that's just my message for today. I recommend y'all practice semen retention. And even if you can't stop right away, I get it. I couldn't stop right away. But the more you practice, the more longer it's going to go. So let's say you practice 3 days here. Actually, let's say you're the type of person to beat your meat or play with yourself 2 times a day, right? Every day. If you cut that down to 1, and then if you cut that down to every few days you do it, you'll realize that the more you stop, the longer you're able to go without doing it. And if you can't stop, like, actually, what you can do is, if you've ever heard of replacing a bad habit with a good one, bro, so when you get the urge, go down and do some push-ups or something. That's going to get your blood flowing. You're not even going to think about it no more, because your endorphins going to be focused on your heart, because it's pumping and stuff. Or get on the game. Do something. Go start cooking. Go for a walk. Do something to get your mind off of those activities, though, because I promise it's going to help you in the long run. But that's just ways of replacing that bad habit. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. 1K on the way. If y'all enjoy advice videos like this, make sure y'all drop in the comments that y'all enjoyed it. Let me know what else y'all want to see, and I love y'all. Watch the next video, turn on post notifications so you can see the video when you get updated. Follow me on Chapote at Instagram. I love y'all.